the shutter, the flash of the strobe lights. That's when you know you're a star. I'm starving. When are we going to take a break for dinner?
What
A
the
true
fuck?
professional doesn't even think about eating until their work is done, Usagi.
My belly still says it's hungry, though. Well, luckily I thought it.
Oh, something's coming up.
The little part that goes in your ears down there. Ja rozumiem was tak, a ja zaczynam jak Słuchaj, na pewno nie jest to 100%, to nie jest to.
なんかムカつくな。
腹減った。なんか美味しいものくださいな。Oh, I'm so hungry.
Huh?
Ooh, heads up, honey. This guac is loaded with garlic.
Garlic?
That's a cute tin, honey.
Please, with all this vertical vaulting, I beg you to allow me a breathing break. Hey, that reminds me, what's on the lunch menu?
I know you did What Does You Know I Made John Michael Williams because of I'm hungry right now.
Sometimes when I'm hungry, my tummy growls like this.
Oh, that was scary, Stuffy.
Even Dragon.
Does anyone else hear that strange buzzing sound? Yes, like the low hum of an incoming B-52. Are we at war? I think it's that darn sophomore with the deviated septum who must have closed his mouth again. Oh, I never should have eaten 4. Oh, sorry. This mission is making me hungry. Who's up for a snack?
Oh, my Lord!
I think I ate too many snacks. This butterfly steaks. I'm really not that hungry.
Well, the offer's good for the next hour if you change your mind.
And that was your stomach.
You know that feeling you get when a volcano is about to go off in your gut and you have no idea which end's gonna blow? Yeah.
Nothing, just taking a stroll.
Well, sounds like someone's hungry.
I have no friends, no home, and very much of the hunger. My stomach thinks it's a great idea for us to find some lunch now.
Oh, my stomach. Joy boops. Gotta get to the bathroom.
Whoa, all this snacking makes me hungry. I'm hungry. Feed me and tell me I'm pretty! I guess we better get some food.
Russell's right about that kibble.
So we hungry.